Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to explain how to install the memory card and the SIM card in the Redmi 8 Pro. Before I start, I want to explain what the SIM card used for. Cell phone is a modern communication device which connects to others by voice, written message and data. However, this device cannot work until the SIM card is installed in it. In this time, I will explain how to install it. First, make sure your cell phone is already turned off. Second, find the small hole in the side of phone, like this. See, like this. Put the SIM tool on it. See, the part of cell phone is already out. Take the part carefully. Okay, as we can see, there is two holes in it. If you want to install the memory card, you put it in here. Okay, the SIM card is put it in here. Or some people they are want to install two SIM card, but the memory card they not install it. If you want to install the double SIM card, you can put the other SIM card in here. Okay, if like this, the memory card cannot install it in it. No, but I want to install the memory card and the SIM card. I will not use the double SIM card. Put the SIM card and the memory card, install it properly and fits. The third, put the part of cell phone in it. Put it carefully. Okay, I already installed the memory card and the SIM card on it. I will check it. I will turn off the cell phone. If you want to check the SIM card is installed, you can click the setting, and then there is a SIM card setting. Click it. There is Telkomsel in there. It means the SIM card is installed. And then I will show you the memory card is installed. See, kartu SD. In my phone I use Indonesia language for the language setting. In it, see, kartu SD. It means the memory card is installed properly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share, like and comment. Goodbye.